how to log in into NatWest online banking. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your NatWest online banking account. So when you begin to log in into your NatWest banking account, for security purpose, NatWest may ask you for one-time password to make sure it is you that you are logging into online banking. If you have your mobile details, they will send you one-time password to your device. Otherwise, you can generate one using your card reader. So for that, just go to your online banking and then enter your customer number or card number and then select login. You will be asked for 3 random characters for both your PIN and password. Try this, then press next. If you are asked for one-time password, have your mobile phone or card ready and then they will send you a one-time password. Just go ahead and enter that one-time password and then click on confirm. So this is how you will be successfully able to log into your NatWest online banking account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.